Beats by Junior.
We was on the block about 12 deep. We wasn't tripping off no beef. 3 in the morning with no sleep. A chopper, rugar caught and no chief. Everybody know where the block be a danger zone, where they drop tombstones and smoke big kush, where shots get fired like a cocaine rush. Hospital riots cause them bullets bring a blood gush. A slow paintbrush, the murder rate goes up, we just hush. That was every day in the hood growing up. It really wasn't about sipping out the styrofoam cup. It was more about not trying to get hit with a slug, a real thug life. Now that's what I call a gangster wife. She had us hypnotized. We was posted on the block like Chucky with a bloody knife. Like Chucky with a bloody knife. With a rugar glock just waiting. Every day hitting up the hood spray painting. With a rugar glock just waiting. Every day hitting up the hood spray painting. With a rugar glock just waiting. Every day hitting up the hood spray painting. Soy de la zona donde todo se pone más caliente. Ten cuidado con la mala gente, porque balas explosivas pasan por la mente. Jamás lloran y rezan, eso no es de repente. No pregúntale al ratón, y con el M11 se te cae el cantón. Un viaje de recto al panteón, la Glock 19 como el patrón. O el M11 si se pone más cabrón. La mala vida que yo vivo es más rápido que el cuerno de chivo. Peter Shadow loco por hacer como digo. Glock just waiting. Every day hitting up the hood spray painting. With a rugar glock just waiting. Every day hitting up the hood spray painting. With a rugar glock just waiting. Every day hitting up the hood spray painting.